to introduce the gentleman who will be doing the closing keynote, Siddharth Pillai. Siddharth Pillai is a 13-year-old Indian and Asia's youngest data scientist. Siddharth is already a media personality, having been featured on NDTV, BBC, ETV Telangana, and ABN, to name a few, and has also been featured on the front page of Traveler's Time. His YouTube channel called Siddharth Pillai is where he shares his research and knowledge with audiences of all ages, mainly on Python programming, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. He has developed a machine learning COVID-19 dashboard, which is used to identify COVID-19 cases worldwide. He's also working with IIT Bombay and IIT Hyderabad on quite a few prestigious artificial intelligence and machine learning projects. So on that note, I hand over the floor to Siddharth Pillai.
Thank you, Evan, sir. Good evening, everyone. I want to start by thanking you all for your time and for giving me this great opportunity to express my thoughts and opinions on the data transformation. I would like to also thank the sponsors, partners, and the committee members for making this event possible. And I want a huge thanks to the Economic Times for having me here as a guest speaker. Myself, Siddharth Pillai. I'm 13 years old, and I'm currently working at Mountain Smart Business Solutions as a data scientist. I'm also honored as the Asia's youngest data scientist for bagging a job as a data scientist at 12 years old. I'm also a technology trainer, where I tend to spread my knowledge on technology to students all over the world. I'm also a speaker, where I give talks for colleges, schools, and universities across India. Artificial intelligence is everywhere right now, promising us self-driving cars, medical breakthroughs, and even new ways of working. In short term, AI does the math faster, saving money by automating normal complex processes. Makes your life easier. Even now, behind the scenes, this is what it is like for us. Self-driving cars. AI's biggest challenge is making self-driving cars much safer and efficient. Using complex algorithms to stop the car abruptly or swerve to avoid hitting an object. And companies like Audi, Nvidia, and even Tesla are trying to pioneer this AI's biggest challenge on self-driving cars. Entertainment industry is booming, and platforms like Netflix pick artificial intelligence to make the viewing experience more personalized. And Netflix is using great learning algorithms to power up their AI-powered recommender systems to make us the viewing experience more personalized and also choosing us which shows or movies we want to watch next. In the medical industry, the potential of artificial intelligence for making healthcare better is indisputable. AI tools are helping to provide faster service, diagnose issues better, and analyze data to identify trends or genetic information that will predispose someone to a particular disease. And as the dataset sizes have seen an unprecedented growth over the past few years, the solutions made over AI and ML are really huge. AI works by combining large amounts of data. We collect data to develop practical artificial intelligence bots and machine learning solutions. Data must be collected and stored in a way that makes sense for the business problem to be at hand. And as dataset sizes have seen an unprecedented growth over the past few years, it's helping us to create a much more faster, optimized, and practical AI and ML solutions. Each and every day, 1,209,600 new data are producing social media users each day, 682 million tweets per day. More than 4 million hours of content being uploaded to YouTube, with users watching 5.97 billion hours of YouTube videos and 67,305,600 Instagram posts uploaded each day, and 4.3 billion Facebook messages are being posted daily. And Instagram users have uploaded over 100 million photos and videos over day. That is 69,444 million posts being uploaded every minute. And with the amount of data which we have right now, the possibilities of creating faster and optimized AI and ML solutions are at a speed of high-level equality. The growing number of embedded systems such as phones, tablets, and etc., and online platforms through which users interact have been and are going to continue to be the rich sources of our data. And as we have very hard and dangerous jobs, with the use of artificial intelligence-powered systems, we can automate these tedious, hard, and dangerous jobs. Be it exploring space or extinguishing fires, responding to emergency calls, and saving people's lives. With the help of optimized AI-powered system, we can surely see our better tomorrow. Instead of risking human beings' life, where they tend to have to care a lot about their family members and their own health as well. Instead of always risking the human lives here and manpower, with the help of these optimized AI-powered systems, I'm surely 100% sure that we can see ourselves a better tomorrow. And what about companies? How companies can use AI? In the data-driven era we're at, artificial intelligence is being used to all the domains right now. And how about enterprise businesses and companies? How can they use AI? Complex business problems are growing at a dramatic rate right now. Companies are using AI to make their services more optimized with less room for error. As companies and services grow, customers' questions about the products grow as well. In this scenario, having dedicated employee assigned to work with each customer on solving their problems have become complicated and tedious. Chatbots powered by behavior analytics are showing good progress in this area. Marketplaces and companies like Dell, Microsoft, and many other enterprise startups as well are tending to use chatbots. Instead of having to deal with a complicated and tedious manpower dealing with the individual customer's question, with the help of chatbots, we can automate this hard and tedious job and save much less manpower in the enterprises as well. And decision making is 100% very important to achieve the organizational goals and objectives within given time and budget. AI powered by predictive analytics is showing promising results in accurate foresight and helping better decision making. The possibilities where AI can improve our quality and way of life are growing day by day. Seems like there is nothing out there to stop this pace of AI. That's why here at Montaigne, we introduced the Project Explorer. As the Project Explorer, we at Montaigne wanted to know how a business will grow and why. We were curious to understand a combination of macroeconomic indicators can greatly influence the future of a particular industry. For this, I started learning how ML works and slowly moved on to how companies like OpenAI are able to leverage on concepts like reinforcement deep learning. Over the course of next 6 months, me and my team will be working towards a human-machine association in Project Explorer. This involves building a group of microbots that are constantly computing the correlation and feeding the abstract insights to our strategy team for better decision making. As the future is totally going to be technology driven, learning programming is going to be a big head start for us. While teaching Python, I'm constantly updating my technology base with daily learning and wonderful internship opportunities offered to me at IIT Hyderabad and IIT Mumbai. And like my team always advocates, I choose to innovate today and inspire tomorrow. Thank you, everyone.